What up, what up, what up? How's it going, guys? Cyrus here with another video on the EK hatch. And in today's video, we are finally replacing the carpet. Finally replacing the carpet. So I got this carpet on eBay. It was about 150 bucks or so. And I'm going to be finally replacing this old, stingy, dirty brown carpet. Now in the last video, I believe in the last video, that was where I replaced the ignition switch in the car. And now we can finally get the carpet in, and we can also finally get the trunk liner in because it came in as well today with the carpet. So all that being said, all I gotta do now is pull out the carpet, put it on top of the new carpet, cut out the holes that I need, and then, hey, Max, oh my, what are you doing, Max? Anyway, I just gotta take out that carpet, put it on top of that, match the holes, and we shall be good and just put everything back in the car. So I'm finally happy. I'm finally getting this carpet, and once we get the carpet in there and the trunk liner in there, we are pretty much basically able to move on with the fun stuff with the car. But I think I'm gonna paint the car before. I don't know, actually. I don't know. There's so much to do and so much I want to do and I'm excited to do. So I think I'm gonna just like time lapse everything and probably explain some things here and there as we go. But just hang in there, and enjoy the ride. Enjoy the build process. Your build, your life, baby. Your build, your life. All right, Max. This puppy. All right, later, guys.
Perfect. Money!
Alright, we have the carpet out. We finally have that nasty stuff out. Thank you. I'm gonna vacuum up in here, get everything up. No idea what all that trash is, gonna get all that out. Nice, and there's no rust under here. There's a lot of money right there. I don't know if you can see that. There's like $1 worth of quarters right there. All this car is worth. Alright, but that's the nasty carpet. That's the new carpet. Nasty ass carpet, which unfortunately has to sit on top of that for a little bit until I cut everything out. So I'm gonna do that quick as possible. But man, we are coming along finally, but I'm gonna vacuum that out. Get on that right now before the sunlight goes down. I have to hurry.
Perfect.
Oh my god. Oh my gosh, look how clean that is. That's its original color. That's so cool. It's so smooth. Oh, I love that color so much. Alright guys, so I'm done wiping down the car on the inside, the frame, the bottom floor, and it looks not bad at all. It looks so much better, it looks so much better. Here, take a look. I know the lighting is kind of rough, but you can tell it's a big difference than what it was before. It's not perfect, but I'm not trying to get it perfect. I'm just trying not to have a lot of dirt built up under there. Probably the first time in the 22 years of this car's existence it's had this deep of a cleaning, probably. Who knows? If you guys are curious on what I use, I just went to Walmart and got some super clean degreaser stuff. That's all I used. That was all I used. But now I'm going to go ahead and finally get to the next part of cutting out the holes for the carpet and laying down the carpet back inside of the car. And a year. Alright, so now what I'm going to do is punch out the holes in the carpet that are already there to make this a lot easier so I don't have to worry about trying to find the holes when I'm in the car. Installing the instructions, etc., etc.
Perfect. Perfect.
Alright, if I did that right, everything should just line up. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to make an adjustment here or there, but for the most part, I think I got it down to the point to where I can just stick on the carpet and go from there. So we're about to find out. Alright guys, so this is the carpet. It is in there. I just gotta put the panels back on and vacuum it. Ignore all the dirt. That was just for me stepping on it to like get it out and everything. To get it leveled out and everything. Because I can't ever get on that side because it's in here in the garage. So all my work I do is on this one side. But yeah, it's coming along, dude. This car is coming along. Look at that. Alright, I'm gonna get the panels back in there after I wipe them down. And I'll try to give you guys a shot of the finished product. Alright, if I do say so myself, this came out great. This came out so well. Here's the other side. This looks better than having that spot over there in the corner. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with this. Yeah. Alright guys, so that is the install of the interior carpet for the EK hatch. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. You can do this yourself. If I can do this, I know you can do this because this was not too bad. This was not hard at all, actually. So honestly, it was like 150 bucks on eBay. You can go and get one. Just type in whatever car you need and boom, pop up, hopefully, and you can order it. So I just want to say thank you guys so much for tuning into yet another episode of the EK hatch build. We're moving along very nicely. We now have full interior, pretty much. We have full interior, just missing a few things here and there, and just a couple screws with a couple clips here and there. But we have the headliner full now. We have all the panels now. We have new carpet in here. We still need a horn for the steering wheel. We switched out the ignition switch. We've done so much to this car already in such a short time. And I think I've only owned this car for like a week and a half now. So hey, we're moving along. We are moving along. Dude, this is awesome. I'm so happy. Look at this, man. Look at that. Clean. The car looks so much better. This car came on such a come up from when I picked it up. I'm giving this car a little soul. And yeah, it's coming. It's coming. So please guys, comment what you think. If you have any questions about this, go ahead and comment. I'll try and answer. Please like the video. Please like the video. And if you haven't already, subscribe. Please subscribe. If you want to see more on the EK hatch build, subscribe. If you want to see more on the Civic Type R I got on the other side of that garage, subscribe. Please do it. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another video. I will catch you guys on the flip side. Later. I am out.